Let's learn about installing npm packages. This presentation will guide you through adding third-party libraries to your Node.js project. What exactly is npm install? It is a command line tool that downloads and installs third-party packages from the npm registry into your Node.js project. Think of it as a way to easily add pre-built code and functionality to your project. Here is the basic syntax for using npm install. You type npm install and then the name of the package you want to install. Be sure to replace the placeholder package name with the actual package you are trying to install. Let's look at an example. Suppose you want to install Express. Express is a popular web framework for Node.js. To install it, you would type npm install Express. This command will download and install the Express.js web framework, making it available for use in your project. You can install multiple packages at once. Just type npm install and then list the package names separated by spaces. For example, you can type npm install express mongoose dotenv. Remember to separate each package name with a space. To automatically save the installed package as a dependency in your project's package.json file, you can use the save flag. Type npm install --save and then the package name. For example, npm install --save express. This command automatically saves the dependency to your package.json file, which is useful for tracking your project's requirements. Sometimes you need packages only during development, like testing frameworks or code linters. To install a package as a development dependency, use the --save dev flag. For example, you can type npm install --save dev nodemon. This tells npm that nodemon is only needed during development and should be listed under development dependencies in package.json. After you run npm install, a few things happen. First, a folder named Node Modules is created in your project directory. This folder contains all the installed package files. Second, a package-lock.json file is generated. This file locks down the exact versions of the dependencies used in your project, ensuring consistency across different environments and installations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.